Today ay birthday ng pinsan ni Meshka, second cousin, anak ng pinsan ni Abhi. So doon kami ngayon pupunta. Yung birthday celebration guys is,
UV Baya birthday.
UV Baya birthday. Yung birthday party, mamayang gabi pa naman, alas 6. Pero yung mga pinsan, maaga doon pupunta. Yung sinabihan din ako ni Bobby.
My hair so yung mommy.
Yes, yes. Si Sushma yung nagsabi na maaga kami aalis. I'm not sure if meron pa kaming gagawin doon. If makakatulong kami with something na kailangan gawin doon. Pero mamayang gabi pa talaga yung party. So yung damit ni Mishka, ganito lang muna ngayon. Pero meron siyang pampalit na dress mamaya. Yung kanyang favorite dress as of the moment. Yung kanyang princess dress daw. Bigay sa kanya ni Ate Iris. Yun yung paborito niyang suotin ngayon, princess. So, magbubuk lang ako ng Uber and then alis na kami. Let me see, Danay. Let me fix your hair, Danay. Mimi, please. Ayusin ko muna to kasi pag sa auto na, lumilipad-lipad. Mimi, wait.
Okay, mommy.
Mamaya ko na lang ulit ayusin to basta naka-ponytail ngayon sa aming pagbiyahe. Love, stand the next. Say, do you wanna come with us?
They want to come with us.
You wanna come with us? Let's go! Ready yan? May, ano pa yan, glasses. Say, see you later!
See you later.
Mag-book muna ako. Model naman. That's how you model? Okay. Meron na kaming na-book na Uber, pero 5 minutes pa, so maya-maya lang kami bababa. Yes? Tell them, what is your name, Ganit Love?
Mishka Amy.
My name?
My name is Mishka Amy.
Very good. Alam niya na yung kanyang name. How old are you? What's that number?
1, 2, 3.
Very good. She's 3 years old. Very good, Mimi. Grabe ang hangin. Hindi pa naman ako nag-leggings ngayon. Nakadress na. Let's go. So windy. Let's go.
I was told some sunshine would be helpful. That maybe it would brighten up my mood. Breathing in some fresh air by the lungful. Climbing up a hill to see the view. And I know it won't be easy, but I think it's worth a try. Tying up my sneakers and going outside. Think I should take a walk.
Yeah, this is the one. Knock. More knock. Baka bumaba na sila. Stay. Hi! It's like Shadini. Go! You're inside. Love na yung Shadidi na.
And if you wanna join me, come along and we can talk. I think I'll take a walk.
Ayan yung birthday boy. Hi, Yuvi. Happy birthday, Yuvi Baya. Hug, Yuvi Baya. Happy birthday. Aww, so Okay, later. Hi. Namaste. Mimi. Give you Bibaya. Hi, Bobby.
You're the best.
Huh?
Tomorrow I'm not going to Oh my god, why am I going in? Where are you going? I'm not supposed to stay. She goes to 0. She put it on herself.
Tinataasan niya yung kanyang score eh.
Oh, it's okay, just smile at it. Bye. Yo, mama, घर पर lunch होके night ना.
Bye.
Bye. Mimi, let's play.
Eat the corn.
The kids are eating. Mishka just finished one dosa. Na siya kumakain pa. And then now she's eating sweet corn.
My 5th dose.
This is your 5th dosa?
Wow. Where is it all going?
You like?
See a small tummy.
You like their dosa here? Slowly. Mishi.
ज़ाया वक्त ख्यालों में हो रहे बेरब्त से नागवारा दस्तूर नासाज अंधेरों में बेजार तबीयत सपने मुझको नामंजूर फिर भी भरोसा साहिल पे होगी नई तरंग हाँ दिल में है उम्मीदें आने वाले कल
Nahanda nila yung party call. Umuulan. Nakatulog itong mga kids ngayon. Alert na malapit na mag-start yung party. Tinuturuan niya yung pinsan. You smile? You look alike?
I'm very happy if you come to my birthday.
दिल में है उम्मीदें आने वाले कल में होगा ये वक्त मेरा हर पे लगे बादल सूरज से है रोशन वक्त मेरा न रही तन्हाई धुंधली सी हुई परछाई नामंजूर है रुसवाई ज़ाया वक्त ख्यालों में हो रहे बेरब्त से नागवारा दस्तूर नासाज अंधेरों में बेजार तबीयत सपने नामंजूर है मुझको दिल में है उम्मीदें आने वाले कल में होगा ये वक्त मेरा हर पे लगे बादल सूरज से है रोशन वक्त मेरा न रही तन्हाई धुंधली सी हुई परछाई नामंजूर है रुसवाई फिर भी भरोसा साहिल पे होगी नई तरंग
Chalo, dance. Ase.
दिल में है उम्मीदें आने वाले कल में होगा ये वक्त मेरा हर पे लगे बादल सूरज से है रोशन वक्त मेरा न रही तन्हाई धुंधली सी हुई परछाई नामंजूर है रुसवाई ज़ाया वक्त ख्यालों में हो रहे बेरब्त से नागवारा दस्तूर नासाज अंधेरों में बेजार तबीयत सपने नामंजूर है मुझको दिल में है उम्मीदें आने वाले कल में होगा ये वक्त मेरा हर पे लगे बादल सूरज से है रोशन वक्त मेरा न रही
Diba? Nakapagbihis na kami. Ready to attend UV's birthday party. Baya. Yes. And what is the theme of UV Baya's birthday?
7.
He is 7. What is the theme? What is the design? It's a dinosaur design. Dinosaur birthday party for UV Baya. It's coming. They're going to attend. So, yung birthday party ni UV, guys, dito lang sa kanilang community hall. Or, anong tawag na dito nila? Party hall. Ayan si Bobby. Daddy, she's showing that she has mosquito patch.
Dino will be here. All of you come back. Don't push, okay? Don't push or don't touch. Come this side. Okay? Kids, come here. You can take. Okay, did you guys understand? Yes. You will just follow my instructions, right? Yes. For the final time, all of you, please touch your nose. Okay, this time all of us will play. All of us come. All of us come. Okay. So kids, do we have ladies here? Yes?
You did good.
Okay. Shall we ask something from them? No? Yes, we ask.
It's not spicy.
Only 5 left. I'll tell you, okay? All of you hold each other. Hold each other. Like this. Hold each other. Hold each other. Okay, ready? Move. Okay, kids, listen. Orange. That's it. Once. Only one circle. Hold them back again. Ready? You will just turn once and hold it back. Ready? Move. Apple. Orange. Okay, kids, ready? Okay, kids, ready? Hold each other. Okay, 30 seconds.
This is Mishka's return gift. What's that, Labla? It's a finger basketball. What's that? Wow, it's cookies. Wow, sticker. Use that later. And this one? Another. There's another one here. Wow, it's a book. Open it. Wow. Unlimited yung paglalaro niya ngayon. Hindi na naka-time. Unlike kanina, natag 2 minutes lang sila kasi madaming nakapilang mga kids. Kasi konti na lang ngayon yung natitira. Mga parents na lang na kumakain. Uuwi na din kami after nito, guys. Kasi ano na, alas 8. Ngayon kami ditong barbecue station. Yung batang tapos nang umattend ng birthday party. Where is your gift? Your return gift? Okay, come on. Let's go. Yeah, next time. Tinanggal ko na yung kanyang suot na dress para makapaglaro siya dun sa ball. Here, Mishi, this side. We're home. Nalagay niya na yung kanyang sapatos sa aming shura. And ito yung hinihintay niya. Get down, please.
Okay, Mom.
Okay. Yung kanyang return gift. Okay. Listen.
I have this.
Yeah, that's pencil.
Mommy, open this one.
Okay.
Please, Mommy, open this one.
Okay.
Ma, I got cookies.
You got cookies. Alas 10 na, hinatid kami ni Sushma dito kasi late na daw. Pero ako, kaya ko naman mag-Uber kami ni Mishka. Pero sabi niya, no, ihatid namin kayo. So, yan. Before kami matulog, open natin to kasi excited siya dito. Hindi ko pinabuksan dun sa kanya kasi baka mawala niya yung ball. Sabi ko maghintay ka sa house. Ito yung hinihintay niya na makauwi kami. Yung kanyang return gift. Finger basketball. Wait lang, lablab. Wait, lablab. This you will use for school. Sunday ngayon. Merong off sana sa Abhi today. Pero 1 day off lang. Sabado kahapon meron silang pasok. So kahapon nagdadalawang isip siya if uuwi ba siya dito. Kaya lang, after office, kahapon, gabi na. Tapos, magbabiyahe siya overnight. Dating siya dito, umaga, sana kanina. And then, whole day, andun kami sa, sa pinsan niya. Tapos, kinagabihan, kailangan na din niyang bumiyahe pabalik doon sa Madikeri. So, sabi niya, parang nakakapagod. So, wag na lang na pumunta dito. Kasi parang useless lang din. Magbabiyahe siya para lang umattend sa birthday. So, mas okay na doon na lang siya makapagpahinga pa siya. Kaya hindi siya nakauwi. Hindi siya naka-attend sa birthday party ngayon. So, ako lang mag-isa. Uy! 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 Go look for it. Where is it? Alam niyo ba? Dati, nung baguhan pa ako dito, tuwing may mga functions, mga okasyon, tas alam ko na pupunta sa pamilya, mga relatives, mga kaibigan, iniisip ko na talaga na dapat kasama ko si Abhi. Or katabi ko siya palagi pag andun kami sa bahay ng pamilya niya. Kasi, syempre, parang awkward. Baka kailangan ko siyang mag-translate. Nahihiya ako, nawala siya sa tabi ko, ganun. Pero ngayon, kahit hindi ko kasama sa Abhi, kahit ako lang mag-isa, kaya kung salamuha sa mga pinsan niya, na parang hindi na ako nag-aalala na ako lang mag-isa. Maybe it's like this. Yes, do this. Okay, wait. Good job! Take it out. Take the ball. And then put it inside. So, parang sanay na ako, guys. Parang pamilya na lang din. Paano ako sa pamilya ko sa Pilipinas? Like, mga pinsan. Parang gano'n na lang din ako sa kanila. Parang feeling ko hindi na ako naiiba. So, wala na akong hiya-hiya. Dati mahiya pa. Ngayon wala nang hiya-hiya. Pero ito lang kasi yung gusto ko sa mga pinsan ni Abhi, sa kanyang mga pamilya, is parang hindi mo na feel na parang iba ka sa kanila. Are you gonna open this pencil? See, you have to shoot. Okay. Good job! Ang dami din naming bit-bit kasi madami yung natira sa kanilang handa. Pinadala ni Bobby yung isang packet ng potato chips. Kasi hindi siya naubos. Madami pa tong hindi naubos. Fairness, masarap yung kanilang potato chips. Diba? Ang dami. Tapos dito pagkain, ang dami talagang natira doon. So meron ditong yung chicken kebab, paneer, potato, sik kebab, and then yung pansit. Sinabihan pa nila ako na dagdagan ko, pero anin ko naman ito. Kami lang namang dalawa ni Mishka dito. Lagay ko lang to sa ref, yung aming takeaway. Uso din dito yung takeaway, guys, sa mga Indian. Actually, yung pansit, meron pa dong isang malaki. As in, ang dami-dami na wala pang bawas. Sabi ko, ayoko na, Bobby. Ito lang kasya na to sa aming Mishka. Say goodnight to them na. It's late already. Say goodnight to them. Sleep na din kami ni Mishka. Good night, everybody. What will we say, Gane?
Good night,
Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like.
Take a like my video.
Press the button, guys. Good night. Bye.